2019 Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. Hemi, baby. Hemi. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converters there and there. Wise into a single there. Comes a resonator right there. Then what we did is put Flowmaster outlet right there. Then we had to add a 3-inch pipe there. The Flowmaster number is 15430S, as in Sam, the 12-inch, 12.7-inch long. There'll be a link in the description for you guys. There it is. Then it wise back out. He kept the original resonators on it. He didn't want it too loud. He just wanted a little growl. Then he kept the original black tips that come from the factory, there and there. And it's a Rebel, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there'll be a link in the description for that Flowmaster. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Or subscribe. There's the muffler that we cut off, right? 2021 Ram Hemi 6.4 liter Power Wagon. Beautiful military green. I like that color. That's a fat truck. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there. No converter there. Second converter there. Then it wires into a single there. And then 3.5-inch pipe. And we put a Flowmaster outlaw. There'll be a link in the description. It's the 18-inch right there. Then we added 3-inch pipe to complete the look, because the muffler that was on it was massive. We already threw it away. We already showed you. Then 3-inch pipe out the back. And we kept his resonator on it. He'll probably come back and get that taken off next. And a massive 5-inch black tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. There it is. Perfect? That's perfect, yeah. You see that bite? It sounds so good. It's so loud, I love it. Wow. Ram 1500 with Flowmaster Outlaw. There's sound decibels. Again, 109. That's not bad at all. That sounds so good. I like it. What do you guys think? I think it sounds mean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Perfect. Yeah, don't take the resonator. That's with the resonator on, guys. That shows you the outlaws, how good they sound. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. 107, bro. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it up. And give them a shout out, guys. If you guys ever need any dog boarding or training or anything, they're the people to call. They'll take care of it for you. Again. That sounds so good. Yeah. Let you guys hear on the inside. Power Wagon, baby. Ram 1500s. Rebel. Got a nice idle to it too. Beautiful. Hope you guys like it. Let us know in the comments. Power Wagon 2021 with Flowmaster Outlaw and still factory resonator 5-inch tabs. That sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Hemi power, baby.